that is the Punisher. Detail. It's a concept car of Marvel character the Punisher, and the edition which is when the Punisher was a samurai, is a part samurai when he was in Japan. So Punisher, the samurai Punisher, that is the main concept of this car. There you go. And the Gatling gun was a concept from the James Bond movie. So there you go. I got more pictures from kids since morning.